In the previous video, we learned how to create a UI navigation controller and pass data around the view controllers just using the navigation controller. And if you have not seen that video, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. In this video, we're gonna learn how to use constraints. Constraints are like the position of the UI component inside the view controller. So here in this app, for example, we have a text field and a button, and we just put it there. We didn't add any constraints to it. So when we go to a landscape mode, we will see that the position is not correct because we did not define what the position was. So in this video, we're going to learn how to do that. So if you go to the storyboard and select the components, you are able to add some constraints, and those constraints are going to keep the same even though you rotate your app, or it depends on also the size of the phone, and they're going to keep the same. So to do that, we gotta press this button in the below here in the panel, so we can add the constraints of the text field. So from the top, we can give a distance of 40 pixels. We can give from the left a distance of, let's keep it 40 and 40. So now this text field has three constraints, and they're gonna keep a distance of 40 from each side of the screen besides bottom. You will see that it will immediately change, and you will see that it now has these constraints here that we just add, and you see that the value is 40. So for the button, we're gonna do the same, but the constraints of the button, the top one, is not gonna be related to the view screen, but related to this text field. So let's do the same. Let's give it a distance of 20 and 40 from the left and 40 from the right. Now you see that I also have the constraints for that. And if we run this app now, we will see that we have like the way we created it. And if we rotate the screen, we will see that the positions are the same, but related to the new size of the screen. So basically, that's how you create simple constraints for your app. Thank you.